Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Diquat Herbicide is a versatile, post-emergent herbicide containing diquat dibromide, a chemical used to kill weeds on land or in aquatic areas. This product works by absorbing into the weed after application, killing it within a few days. Diquat herbicide can be used in a wide variety of locations, including but not limited to non-crop areas on farms, aquatic areas, established turf grass, industrial areas, commercial properties, and residential properties. Diquat herbicide, like other herbicide concentrates, must be diluted with water and applied with a sprayer. If you're treating weeds in large bodies of water, you may require a heavier duty sprayer like a spray rig just to cover longer distances or wider areas more efficiently. If you're looking to control aquatic weeds without the use of heavy-duty spray equipment, check out Vision Pond Dye. Vision Pond Dye is a dye that can be used in ponds, water fountains, or any other bodies of water to help minimize algae and plant growth. This product works by physically blocking light from the sun. This prevents new plants from growing, and existing plants will die without sunlight. Just measure the appropriate amount of dye you'll need according to the size and volume of the body of water you'll be treating and the product's label. Then, pour the pond dye directly into the body of water, and the water's natural movement will disperse the dye. For total control of aquatic weeds, we recommend you use Vision Pond Dye in conjunction with Diquat Herbicide. To shop for Vision Pond Dye, just click the icon in the top right corner. Before using any pesticides, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas until the application has completely dried. The amount of Diquat herbicide you'll need depends on where you're treating for weeds. To treat weeds in turfgrass, you'll apply a broadcast application of 1 to 2 pints per acre of treatment area. For smaller applications, this reduces to 0.37 to 0.73 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Diquat herbicide is selective and will control broadleaf and grassy weeds without affecting dormant turfgrasses. Do not apply Diquat herbicide over actively growing lawns, as that may result in permanent injury. To spot treat floating weeds or emerged weeds along the edge of water, you'll mix Diquat herbicide at a rate of 2 quarts per 100 gallons of water. To treat weeds submersed underwater, depending on the water's depth, you'll be able to conduct a surface spray application with a mix rate of 0.5 to 2 gallons of product per surface acre per 4-foot depth. Surface spray applications are not recommended for depths deeper than 2 feet. Be sure to read the label completely for more information regarding different applications. For all applications, it's recommended you mix a small amount of a compatible non-ionic surfactant or wetting agent to enhance the product's ability to stick to plant surfaces. Read the label completely for specific percentages or fixed volumes of surfactant to be added. For small to medium areas of turfgrass and surface water, we recommend you have either a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer, as these will make mixing and application quick and easy. To mix Diquat herbicide, fill your sprayer halfway with water, add the proper amount of herbicide you need for your application, then add the remaining half of the water and close the sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate and pump to produce a low-pressure spray. If you're using an electric or battery-powered sprayer, simply turn it on and it will pressurize automatically. Before you make your application, check the weather and ensure there is no rain forecast for the day. And if you're applying in water, make sure there is little to no wave activity. Rain within 30 minutes of application or heavy waves can negatively impact the product's performance. If you're broadcasting Diquat herbicide over dormant turfgrass, simply spray your entire solution evenly over the treatment area. Occasionally keep an eye on how much solution you have left in your reservoir and adjust your walking pace accordingly. If you're spot treating floating or emerged weeds in water, apply your solution with low pressure and spray weeds directly with a fan setting. Be sure all weeds receive thorough spray coverage. If you're applying a surface application to treat submersed weeds, be sure to spray your entire solution evenly over the treatment area. When applied over turfgrass, do not allow people or pets into the area until the product completely dries. When applied in water, the water's use is restricted to a certain number of days depending on the water's purpose and how much herbicide was applied to it. For example, if the water is used for drinking and product was applied at a rate of 2 gallons per surface acre, restrict the water's use until after 3 days of the product's application. In bodies of water that harbor fish, treat just 1/3 of the body of water. In 14-day intervals, you may treat the remaining thirds of the body of water 1/3 at a time. When applied properly, Diquat herbicide will not harm fish or other non-target aquatic life. When Diquat herbicide is applied properly, affected weeds will show signs of dying within a few days. When treating areas dense with weed activity, multiple applications may be necessary. If you find a repeat application necessary to treat your weeds, you may do so after 21 days of your initial application. Shop for Diquat herbicide on our website or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.